You will need 35 centimeters long string in the color of your choice and a safety pin to insert the string. Here I will show you how I will add my string. I have actually cut away string from my trousers because it's in the matching color, but if you wish you can use a string of a different color, make it more lively or to your preference. I will be using a safety pin to put my string through. Because this is a short string, 35 centimeters long, this goes fairly quickly. You still need to take your time, as you can see. You can make knots at the end or not, as you prefer. I will probably make a knot for where I will put them both together, like this. Or you can sew them together. Another option would be that you add like a beautiful button, so the string will fall apart and you can just form a pull, so your sunglasses will fall out of your bag. I will probably be cutting away this part because I won't need it after I sew it, but I will see and I will share with you how I have decided. I have decided to make 2 hidden stitches.